everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, the food goodies. And today we will know 12 reasons why we should add spinach to our diet. So the green leafy vegetable is high in minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper and manganese. Spinach are also high in niacin and zinc. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E and vitamin B6. Spinach are high in protein and fibers, so it keeps you full for a longer time and helps in digestion. Spinach contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This green leafy vegetable strengthens our immunity system and fights the diseases. Spinach also helps to lower the blood pressure and maintain a low blood sugar. Spinach alkalizes our body and prevents constipation. Spinach are also considered as one of the best food for the function of our brain and nervous system. Spinach undoubtedly promotes healthy skin and helps improve the vision. Spinach are also known to promote the cardiovascular health. The green leafy vegetable enhances bone strength and has an anti-aging property. And last but not the least, spinach increases blood circulation and helps fight infection. So thank you so much for watching the video.